Hi everyone, welcome to my Sibeliya Beauty channel. How are you? I hope you're okay. And in this video here, I gathered all of my naked palette haul, and this one here, it's the hot new product, the Heat palette that I got like a few days ago. And this haul here, it's collective haul because 3 of the items are from Shoppers Drug Mart, and I redeemed my points that I've been gathering. If you watch my mural haul, it was all of the Shoppers Drug Mart points that I've been gathering, and with those points I bought some beauty blender, the Pro one, 2 of the Bobbi Brown products, and 1 the Stila palette. And now with all of the points that I've been gathering since then, I spoiled myself with these 3 palettes here: the Naked 3, the Naked Smoky, and this one here, the Full Spectrum one. So in Quebec you cannot find them in store. When I was in my nail tech event, Canadian nail tech event, I went to London, Ontario. So Shoppers Drug Mart there in Ontario, they have the Urban Decay brands in store and you can go and buy them. Now, before it wasn't also available online, the beauty Galerie Beauté in French, but now you can order them online too. So if you have some Shoppers Drug Mart points, maybe you want to go and check for the naked palettes if you want them. So this one said, all the other ones I got them at Sephora. So the first one that I got, like I said, it was the Full Spectrum. This one here, I mean, it is so gorgeous color. And the second one, like I said, it's the Naked Smoky. This one here, I love the smoky eyes. And the Naked 3, the Urban Decay, this one here, it's gorgeous. I did pick up this one here because it's all pinkish colors that I love, and it matches with my eye color. I love how it makes my eyes pop. I love the color combination, so I got this one. So this was like my Urban Decay naked palettes haul, and I was kind of done. But I wanted to build up my collection, and with the money that I've been making by working, and then Sephora came out with this Naked, the perfect threesome vault, this one here. And I was like, and it had the original, the Naked 2 and the Naked 3. So now I have 2 of the Naked 3. So maybe I will do a giveaway, maybe, or maybe I will just keep it because I really love the pinkish color. I will see what I will do with that. And I mean, look at this. It is so gorgeous, just the packaging along, how it is presented. I mean, look at this. It is awesome. All the 3 palettes. So this was kind of completing my naked palettes. Now I'm just needing the back to basic one and some other ones, but back to basic, the larger palettes, maybe I'm missing that one. And I was also able to get 2 more of the Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes, one from the Gwen Stefani, and the other one, it's the Wise Reloaded 10XX. And these one, I got them in the warehouse sale of L'Oreal, the VIP warehouse sale, like last month. And those I will show you to them in my haul of the warehouse sale. This is why I'm not showing you in this video here. And the most recent, the hot product is this one here. The Naked Heat. I mean, I was like, I want to get it, but I didn't know if I was going to get the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. But I mean, this kind of completes my Naked palettes collection. I mean, look at just the packaging alone. It's so gorgeous. I mean, and the colors. I'm showing you this one because this is a new. All the other ones you have seen it. They've been there for a long time. But I mean, this one here. It is gorgeous. Look at these colors here. It is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to play with it, make some tutorials with it. So I'm pretty excited. I am so excited. I mean, the job thing, it was kind of an opportunity that came, and it kind of opened the doors for me so that I can get some brand name makeup to show you to use in my beauty channel. So now I kind of build up my makeup like crazy. I'm not kidding, because before I was like, oh my god, I don't have, like, I'm not going to spend like $60 on a palette. But since I work, I was like, okay, this will be for my YouTube channel. I will work and get that money and use that money through my channel, towards my channel. So this is what I did, and I'm so excited with all of the makeup products that I got. So maybe you can comment under the video, if you watch my other videos, by which product you want me to start to swatch, to make tutorials. If you want to see one of them, like first, like the first video, just comment under the video and I will do a video on that product first and then go on with other products. So that was it. That was my Urban Decay Naked Palette haul from Sephora and Shoppers Drug Mart. Like I said, now Shoppers Drug Mart have them online too in their beauty gallery. So if you have some points and you don't want to take out money from your pocket, go and redeem your points at Shoppers Drug Mart, so you will have them free. So thanks again, and see you on my next video. Bye!